want to start, so we're going to keep messing with it.
It's international, that's why.
Shut up. Old. Oh, we had a fire for a second there.
You know what? My Cummins is old. That's not going to on the throttle. Wow, it's throwing smoke out.
There it goes. Man, that was a rough start.
Yeah,
Is it smoking?
Well, it's cleaning up now. You got any throttle?
Yep, that's what I use to get it to even out a little bit of throttle. The air open out. Piece of junk. Boy, that thing is loud.
Well, you can depend on your Amtran on a cold day.
Especially with this motor.